gives me great pleasure on behalf of the President, the government and people of Ghana, the staff of Ghana Embassy in Washington, D.C., and in my own name, to welcome you all to the Embassy of Ghana and to be part of the Silver Jubilee anniversary of the Andrew Young African Lecture Series, featuring special guest lecturer, Ambassador Andrew Young, the pioneering civil rights, African development, and human rights leader. The Embassy is deeply honored by your presence and the opportunity to co-host this year's event and continue our cherished relationship with the African Society. This unique event, which has brought together distinguished audience of Africanists, diplomats, policymakers, leaders in the NGO communities, business leaders, and students here today, has over the years served as a useful platform for promoting better understanding of African culture and peoples, as well as the issues and challenges that confront the region. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I want to take a moment to thank the organizers for their dedication in bringing this event together. I commend Africa Society and intimate that we in this embassy are proud to be part of this effort. I also take this opportunity to thank the government and people of the United States for their contribution to Africa's development. We assure them of our readiness to cultivate viable and mutually beneficial partnerships with the United States in all the areas that have been identified on the basis of our common interest and shared objectives. Ambassador Andrew Young, Africa believes that you are a true son of the continent. We also believe that the 21st century belongs to Africa. And the situation on the continent is not all doom and gloom, as portrayed by media headlines. I am very confident that today's deliberations will help to inform our several and joint actions as embassies, policymakers, development partners towards the strengthening of relations between the United States and Africa for the mutual benefit of our people. I welcome you all once again and wish you a most enjoyable and fruitful evening. I thank you for your attention and akwaaba to God.